I brushed the side. Oh, that was funny as fuck.
That was in a tree.
I hit a tree at 100 miles an hour.
That's a trailer. Oh! Oh! I'm out.
Oh!
But apparently not, so that's fine.
We actually have to buy it
It's
too.
already installed now, so you just have to
What the fuck just happened?
What is that?
What was that?
Alex almost put the fuck over.
I just saw dirt. What's that?
Hold up.
Okay, same thing. But, basically the same thing. So, I guess we'll figure out how the fuck to get to you guys.
Don't you fucking do that, you fucking whore.
Vile word going on over there.
I haven't invited you, but it's
Fuck off! I'm stuck on your truck! Yeah, well, I'm on 2 wheels, dude! What's happening? What's happening?
Oh my god, what are you...
I'm stuck!
Oh my god. Oh, I miss this.
He used the runaway ramp! He used the
Hold on, where are we meeting? Hold on, what rest stop are we going to? I'm so confused.
Look for it's Jackson, right? Is where we're going. Oh god, what is this mess?
Hold on, you guys are going way too fast for me.
Hold on, bro. Give us a second. Give us a second. Oh, shit.
I'm stuck.
Oh, God. For real?
Yeah, it's gone. Dude, I literally, like, so you bumped me or something, and my tires went on your truck, and I was just, like, teetering, and I couldn't fucking steer.
Were you stuck on me?
Yeah! And the force feedback's, like, all the fuck over the place. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
Oh my god. Dude, that
Huh?
was one of them ones that was...
Yeah, because I can't go speeds.
Truck's broken. I broke it.
I can't get out of 7th gear.
Nice.
7 high.
Whew, that was fucking funny.
Let's never do that again, huh? Everybody gets one. You know, I was... Old Alex! Jesus Christ! What the fuck was that?
What was that? The car just... What
What
just
happened?
What is going on over there?
Somebody's trailer's in the middle of the fucking road.
Not mine. Oh, it's about to be. Jesus fucking Christ. Dude, I was on 2 wheels.
Oh my god.
Taking the exit ramp at 100. Committed. Oh boy, 94. That's a cop car. Jesus. Nailed it.
Hit starter and go.
It never stalled. Oh boy, it's just shaky. Oh Jesus! What just happened? Where am I going?
What just happened?
What? Goddamn Griswolds. Oh, 50-50 grind. We're fine. We're not fine. We're in the bush. We're in the woods.
Oh, that's a wall.
No, it wasn't. Well then. Look out, Prius. Oh! What happened? What's going on? What?
What?
What's happening?
Oh, I'm drifting. Okay.
Where's he at? Oh, Jesus Christ! What the? What's happening? Oh. Hey, Alex. Oh no, my cap fell off. No? Oh. My steering wheel is freaking out. I gotta stop this. Good lord. Okay! What the fuck just happened? Why did you find two?
Where did my truck go?
Oh, it told me stop at the scale. I can't when I'm doing 100. This is bad. Ah, oh, I'm just fucking Baja.
What happened?
I Baja'd over this fucking Corolla. Oh shit, he did. Oh shit, I didn't mean it to me.
Oh god, oh god.
What is happening?
What is happening? Oh shit, oh god.
Transport Canada on this one, and they were quite supportive today after they gave us help. But yes. Anyway, that's all I have. Appreciate the great.
He's dead!
Very short.
We're all dead!
Busy with our families, got things to do. This is super important, and I respect the fact that many of you could join. So thank you.
You're just unspool. Oh no. Oh well, there we go. See you later. Jesus Christ. I'm in the woods. Oh yeah, dude. I went across the freeway.
Bro, what is going
Yes.
This is not. Well, it's like sometimes actually trucking, and then.
To do that?
Oh no. Oh no. Get skinny. Oh boy, we're Bajaing it down the middle of the freeway.
Yep, sure are.
Nailed it. Fuck that sign. This is actually more fun than driving. Oh, it's a guardrail. Oh, the wire. Oh no! What the fuck?
What just happened?
Ah, there's a truck on!
Hey,
Ah, shit.
You had one job.
I was fine. I don't know what happened. Oh god, I'm sorry. Oh, Jesus Christ almighty.
Oh,
I'm doing 102.
you just. Oh god, you just killed a family of 7.
They deserved it. They like TikTok.
Oh, brakes. I forgot. Oh, I forgot. Brakes.
Dude, trying to weave through the stop traffic back here.
I think I just
Oh,
committed
brakes.
vehicular
Oh,
homicide.
sorry.
Oh, you got someone else too. That's great.
I absolutely broadsided that car.
Alright, I'm pulling over.
Hey, look.
You do?
You did the same.
Same thing. Oh god.
Oh my! That your trailer just went flying, and I just fucking nukes a hazard off your fucking trailer.
Oh, here it comes. Here it comes.
Whoa!
What the? Oh, that's fun.
Bit of caffeine. I don't drink Monster for the taste, buddy. Oh no! We're good. We're good. Saved it. That's Subaru.
What a fucking save!
Contextual ping, so if you get in a fight.
Hello?
Oh, okay. Took my hands off the controller just to get a clip. Went off the road. I see Alex is coming. Oh my god.
Spent so much time
What the fuck?
trying to
Alex,
figure
what
out
the-
how to mute this kid.
That's exactly what he's gonna do. Oh, okay.
What just
Okay.
happened?
What the fuck?
How far did I just go? Oh. So, what's your truck doing there, bud?
Dealing with a bunch of dumb fucks.
I always encountered them on, like, the turnpike and shit. Well, man, this game is not forgiving with that shoulder.
Oh, 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 fuck.
What the fuck just happened?
I made it.
Oh.
Oh god, where are you? What the fuck? Floating in the air.
Well, nice knowing you.
Oh no, I'm pulling at you. That's okay. I made it.
Oh, it's going. I don't know. What's happening? Oh, the controller's going crazy.